This is a swan. It has a very long neck. Where are the swans? Go and look for them. Swans live amongst the reed bed by the lake. The cygnets are hatched. The cygnets are learning to swim under the care of their parents. Oh, the naughty cygnets are running about. Get them back. Don't run about! Oh no! An eagle is coming! Beat the eagle off! The cygnets' parents are protecting them. Good job! The eagle is driven away! Tap on the cygnet to get rid of the unwanted down. It feels so much better now, but there are still some other things. Thank you. The cygnet is much cleaner now. Swans are flying south for the winter. They fly sometimes in V shape and sometimes in one straight line. Cygnets are starving after the long flight. They're full and are strong enough to fly on. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Swan. Let's play again next time. This is a pigeon. It's always cooing. Where are the pigeons? Go and look for them. I found them. Pigeons live in flocks. The pigeon is going to deliver the letter. postmark the letter. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. The letter should be delivered here. The pigeon delivers the letter along a fixed route. The letter should be delivered here. Put the letter in the mailbox of the same color. Good job! Postman pigeons have done a good job delivering letters. Let's feed them. And can carry on delivering letters. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Pigeon. Let's play again next time. This is a parrot. It has pretty plumage. Where are the parrots? Go and look for them. I found them. Parrots live in tree holes in the jungle. Baby parrots are hatched. Daddy parrot is so happy. Uh-oh, its plumage is soiled from playing in the mud. Let's wash it clean.
Wow! Wow! Woo!
Let's put on some nice-looking feathers for the parrot.
Wow! Wow!
So pretty.
Wow!
The parrot can copy what we say. Let's watch it perform. I want this. Mango. 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 Wow, amazing! I want this. Cherry! 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 I want this. Ball! 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 The parrot is really awesome! I want this. Hat! Hat! Hat!
Hey.
I want this. Apple! Apple! Apple!
Wow.
Wow! Amazing! Daddy Parrot has brought some food for its babies. They're full and feel happy. I had a great time playing with you, my friend, Parrot. Let's play again next time. Hiss. Toucan. The toucan's beak is huge and is half the length of its body. Toucan. The toucan likes to play and jump among branches. Toucan. The toucan likes to eat fruits, nuts, and small insects. Toucan. Swan. The swan is white from top to bottom, and its neck is as long as its body. Swan. The swan likes to eat aquatic plants and small fishes. Swan. The swan is good at swimming and flying. It flies south for the winter. Swan. Pigeon. The pigeon likes to live in flocks and can fly a long distance at a time. Pigeon. The pigeon has good memories and can deliver letters for people. Pigeon. The pigeon likes to eat grains such as corn, wheat, and beans. Pigeon. The parrot. The parrot's beak is sharp and can peck out hard nuts. Parrot. The parrot is very smart and can imitate human speech. Parrot. The parrot's plumage is colorful and pretty. Parrot. Eagle. The eagle has sharp claws and can catch on very big fish. Eagle. The eagle has good eyesight and can spot prey that are far away. Eagle. The eagle flies as fast as cars. Eagle. The swallow. The swallow likes to be close to people and builds its nest under the eave. Swallow. The swallow flies south for the winter every year. Swallow. The swallow is a beneficial bird and can eat a lot of pests.